Welcome to this guided visualization and meditation for manifesting your dreams and desires. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let's begin this journey together. Let's start by grounding ourselves. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the air filling your lungs, and then gently release it. Allow your body to relax with each breath. Feel the weight of your body against the surface you're on. Let go of any tension in your muscles. Notice how your body feels right now, and give yourself permission to just be in this moment. Now set an intention for this meditation. What is it that you wish to manifest? It could be a new job, a loving relationship, better health, or anything that your heart desires. Hold this intention in your mind and feel the excitement and joy as if it has already come true. Begin to visualize your desired outcome in vivid detail. See yourself in the future, living your dream. Picture the environment around you, the people you are with, and the feelings you're experiencing. Make the image as clear and detailed as possible. Engage all your senses in this visualization. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch in this future moment? Imagine every detail vividly. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. Let the feelings of joy, satisfaction, and gratitude fill your heart. Repeat these affirmations silently or out loud, believing in every word. I am worthy of my dreams. I trust the universe to bring me what I need. I am open to receiving all good things. My dreams are becoming my reality. I am grateful for the manifestation of my desires. Now, gently release your visualization to the universe. Trust that your intention is being heard and that the universe is working to bring it into reality. Let go of any attachment to the outcome and feel a sense of peace and trust. As we come to the end of this meditation, bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently bringing awareness back to your body. Carry the positive energy and belief in your manifestation with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this guided visualization meditation for manifesting your dreams. Practice this regularly to strengthen your manifesting power. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe to our channel for more guided meditations and check out our recommended journals in the description box below. Have a wonderful day.